Want to travel to Las Vegas for free? Today I'm going to teach you how. I'm diving into one of my favorite travel hacks that feels almost too good to be true. It's called MyVegas, and it's a totally free way to earn travel rewards just by playing games on your phone. I've used it for free hotel nights in Vegas, buy one get one buffets, and free slot play, as well as a bunch of other rewards. There are so many rewards on the app that you can even redeem your points for discounted cruises or comped cruises or a free helicopter ride over Vegas. And yes, it's all real. No gimmicks, no high roller status needed, no actual money needed. So let's get into how it works, how to start playing, and how to turn virtual chips into actual travel savings. MyVegas is a collection of free mobile games created by MGM Resorts and Play Studios. There's also a version that you can play on your desktop as well. These games let you earn loyalty points, also known as LPs, which you can then redeem for actual rewards at real-world casinos, hotels, and cruise lines. The current app lineup includes MyVegas Slots, MyVegas Blackjack, Pop Slots, MyKONAMI Slots, MyVegas Bingo, MGM Slots Live, and then the desktop version through Facebook. Each game is free to play, and the more you spin, the more LPs you earn. And those LPs, they're like gold if you're heading to Vegas or planning a cruise. So who is MGM and why does this work? MGM Resorts own many of the major casinos on the Strip. Bellagio, MGM Grand, Luxor, Excalibur, and many more. They created MyVegas to encourage brand loyalty, and it's smart. We play the games, earn rewards, and then stay at their properties. Win-win. Getting started is super easy. Download all 6 MyVegas apps. You can find them in the App Store or Google Play. Log in with Facebook to sync your LPs across all of the games, and then start spinning. The key here is to play across multiple apps, and you'll earn chips and LPs from each one, and they all connect to the same reward system. There is a cap on how many LPs you can earn in a single day on each app, so that's why you want to play across multiple apps to gain the most LPs per day. So you're probably wondering, how do you earn loyalty points? Well, here's the twist. How you earn LPs depends on your device. On iPhones and iPads, LPs are based on how much you wager and how often you spin. The bigger your bet, the faster you earn LPs. This can be a bad thing if you're low on coins though, because when you run out of coins, you can't spin anymore until you earn more. On Android, LPs are based on time spent in the app, not how much you bet. You can bet the minimum amount, turn on auto spin, and let it run in the background. Both systems work, you just need to adapt your strategy based on your phone. I have an iPhone, so what I do is I play these games on my cheap Samsung tablet that I paid like $130 for. As long as I have access to Wi-Fi, I can start these games up on the tablet and let them run in the background, and then I can use my real phone for whatever I want. Let's talk coins, because even though the games are free, running out of coins can seriously slow you down. Luckily, there are tons of ways to keep your balance healthy without ever spending any real money. The game is going to constantly try to entice you into buying coins, and you have to X out of several screens trying to sell you coins before you can play. This is a minor annoyance, but it doesn't take any more than 30 seconds usually to do this. Here are some ways to earn some coins without spending any real money. Each MyVegas app gives you a free coin bonus every 2 hours. Set a reminder or just make it part of your daily routine to open the app, grab your coins, and you're good to go. You can also log in every day to trigger your daily streak bonus. The longer your streak, the bigger your rewards. This applies across all of the MyVegas games, so the more apps you use, the more bonuses you collect. You can also check the daily missions. So some apps like MGM Slots Live or Pop Slots will have missions or challenges that you can complete each day for extra chips and even loyalty points. These are usually simple: bet X amount, win X times, or play a specific slot. You can also use myvegasadvisor.com for free links. So don't forget to bookmark this site. They post daily free chip links for all of the MyVegas games, and you can click them straight from your phone or desktop and instantly collect the rewards. You can also invite friends. So in some of the apps, You can get bonus chips for inviting friends or sending daily gifts. If you've got fellow travel hackers in your life or a player too, then this is a way to team up and help each other out to get more coins. You can also watch ads to earn coins if you're kind of desperate. So yes, I know that it's old school, but it does work. So most of the MyVegas apps will let you watch a quick 30 to 60-second ad in exchange for bonus coins. Not glamorous, but it does add up, and especially if you're running low. You can also join MyVegas Facebook groups. So Facebook groups often share bonus links, coin giveaways, and limited time promo codes. It's also a great place just to ask questions, hear about new rewards, or troubleshoot issues with redemptions. Let's get into the good stuff. So what can you actually get when you're headed to Las Vegas? The MyVegas games are best known for giving away real, legit Vegas rewards, especially at MGM Resorts properties. These rewards are always changing, but here's a breakdown of the most common and most popular options that you can redeem your loyalty points for. You can get free or discounted hotel stays, free weeknight stays at MGM properties, discounted stays, room upgrades like a strip view, executive suites, etc. Discounts on food and drink, buy one get one buffets at Luxor, MGM Grand, and more. Food credits like $25 to $100 to use at on-property restaurants. Free drinks or 2-for-1 cocktails at select casino bars. Many of these food rewards are one-time use per trip, so plan accordingly. You can also get discounts on entertainment. So you can get free or discounted tickets to Vegas shows like Cirque du Soleil, Carrot Top, Tournament of Kings, and other comedy or variety shows. Also, tickets for live music acts and magic shows. You can also get discounts on experiences. You can get spa credit at select MGM resort spas, day passes to pool clubs or lounges, or buy one get one or discounted entry to attractions like Shark Reef at Mandalay Bay, the Big Apple roller coaster, and virtual reality and escape room experiences. You can also get free slot play depending on the app. There are some redemption rules for you to know. You're typically limited to 3 premium rewards every 30-day rolling window. Non-premium rewards like the 2-for-1 drink deals are unlimited. Premium rewards include things like free hotel nights, free play, etc. You can check the terms and conditions of the reward before purchasing it with your LPs to see if it's a premium or non-premium award. You also need to link your MGM Rewards account to book hotel stays. Some rewards must be booked in advance online, like the hotel stays. Others, like the food credits, can be redeemed in person with your confirmation email and valid ID. Always read the fine print, blackout dates, and restrictions, especially for big Vegas weekends. While MGM Resorts in Vegas get the spotlight, MyVegas also partners with other casino brands, and the rewards go way beyond the Strip. You can use rewards at MGM properties in other locations like MGM National Harbor, Borgata in Atlantic City, and MGM Grand Detroit, and others. Common rewards include free nights, food and beverage credits, spa discounts, and free play offers. International resorts and attractions have also been available from time to time, such as Atlantis Paradise Island in the Bahamas. You can also score discounts on many hotels in the US. Rewards are constantly changing, so you just have to check the app and see what's available once you've racked up enough points, and then you lock in your reward. Like I said before, always check the fine print because there are dates that your reward needs to be used by, and then you'll be able to see what those are before you spend the points on the reward. One of the most exciting MyVegas rewards isn't in Vegas at all. It's actually out at sea. So right now, Norwegian Cruise Line is the main cruise partner featured in the MyVegas apps. You can often find rewards for free cruise certificates, discounted sailings, or onboard credit to use during your trip. But here's the key thing to know. Cruise rewards change all the time. In the past, MyVegas has offered free cruises with MSC and even Royal Caribbean, so it's always worth checking back. Sometimes the rewards disappear for a while and then they pop back up, so don't panic if you don't see them right away. Blackout dates are also common, and oftentimes there are sale-by dates, so always check the specific reward that you're purchasing so that you know the rules. and there may be additional administrative fees that apply. These are common with the Norwegian free cruises, as the fine print shows an additional cost of $20 per person per day. So for that reason, I think that the $500 or $1,000 off of the cruise fare reward might be a better value when you add that up with all of the additional costs for the free NCL cruise. Always make sure that you check the fine print before you redeem your points. So let's be real. If you're gonna spend time playing, you want to get the biggest possible return in loyalty points. So here's how to work smarter and not harder to earn up to 30,000 LPs a day without spending a dime. Play all of the apps. Each MyVegas app has its own LP earning potential. The main ones you want to download and rotate through are the MyVegas slots, MyKONAMI, Pop Slots, MGM Slots Live, MyVegas Bingo, and potentially the desktop version. MyVegas Blackjack earns LPs, but unless you want to spend time playing Blackjack, it's probably not worth your time from an LP earning standpoint. You play all of these on the same account and your loyalty points will pool together. Here's a secret that some casual players don't know. Pop Slots and MGM Slots Live reset their LP earning limits twice per day. That means that you can play those apps once in the morning, hit the limit, and then play them once in the evening to double your LP haul. If you play all the apps strategically, you can earn up to 30,000 LPs per day just by rotating between the apps and timing your sessions right. And that sounds like a lot of LPs, so you might wonder why you need to max it out each day. But if you look at the cost of the rewards, the free cruises usually start at 1,000,000 points. So maxing your LP earnings and then having what you need when you want to purchase an expensive reward is a good strategy. As we talked about before, Apple versus Android devices earn LPs differently. I find that it's a lot easier to earn a bunch of LPs by using an Android device. And I also like having my phone free so that I can use it for whatever I want while I'm earning LPs on another device. That's just my preference. You can do whatever works for you. But if you have an Android tablet lying around at home or an old Android phone that you just have connected to Wi-Fi, then you may want to see if it's compatible with the MyVegas apps because it'll make the process a lot easier in my opinion. MyVegas Bingo is an easy win because you don't even have to spend to earn LPs, regardless of whether you're using an Apple device or an Android. Just open up the app, let it sit open, and then you'll accumulate LPs passively over time. All right, real talk. These apps are free, but they're also designed to sell you stuff. Every time you open a MyVegas app, get ready to X out of multiple pop-up offers trying to sell you coin packages. Swipe past limited time bundles, VIP upgrades, and just one more spin offers. And tap through a few bonus collection windows before you can actually play. Just stay patient and don't spend any real money unless you really want to. You can do perfectly fine earning rewards with $0 just by playing consistently and collecting those freebies. Yes, it's a little annoying at first, but once you get into the rhythm, it's easy to manage. So, is this really worth it? Yes, 100%. I think so. If you're planning a trip to Vegas or looking to go on a significantly discounted cruise, you can easily save hundreds of dollars by playing the MyVegas games. It's free, it's low effort, and it's kind of fun once you get into it. If you're a travel hacker or just want a better deal, there's no reason not to try this as another avenue for generating points. So there you have it, your complete guide to MyVegas and how you can generate a different kind of points currency for free travel. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and consider subscribing if you want more travel hacking content. Now go download the apps, get spinning, and I'll see you next time.